Kei te karangatia tātou e ngā WHETU, te aua nei e whakakitenga au, e tūana ki te wari toia o space ki Whanganui nei, e whakaawetia ana e ngā WHETU, arā te tauhou Māori. Nā te mai ngātai, kua pua wai mai ai tēnei whakakitenga.
Well, I had been considering looking to do an exhibition, and so I sort of had a number of photos already in my mind, and then Sarah was looking for an exhibition with about 5 weeks notice, so I jumped in and said yes, I'd be very interested, and then with talking, thought it would be really cool to have some other Māori artists in here as well, and then we've gone there and looked at that and got a collective of Māori artists, and also we're now holding it under the Puanga banner, sort of as a Puanga event as well.
Hey, tell us about the name of your exhibition.
Whetūrangi. I just asked Uncle John for a name, something to do with a star cluster. I was thinking not Matariki, don't be too obvious and say Puanga, but yeah, just asked Uncle John. And I said, oh, could you give me a name for thinking there might be something specific to Whanganui, but Whetūrangi. In the projection, you'll probably see that there's one of the works has got some stars behind them. Those are Matariki in the waka, so you see them in the background. And there's a korowai in the sky. So I've been playing with tiny designs and layering them up and thinking about the concept of the korowai and just, you know, the heavens.
Ko Puanga arā te tauhou Māori, te take I wakatū ai tēnei whakakitenga.
We've always sort of held exhibitions with common kaupapa, and they're always something to do with the stars, something to do with coming together with kai, nourishment, and in a special time of year. So you just give us a reason and artists will come up with an exhibition. Just like this one we pulled together rather quickly.
Ko te awa tupua, ko te tai ao ngā mea e whakaawetia ana e nei mai.
Well, for me, I mean, out the row is sort of in carrying the mauri, and if we're on the awa, we always carry the row and from one place to the next, and it is about the mauri and the wairua and our connection with the awa.
Ko te tūmanako ia, ka tū anō tētei kaupapa a te rātou ai Whanganui I te tauhou Māori.
And yeah, I really hope that it will continue because I think it's been so well supported so far and we're only just getting started. So I'm looking forward to seeing the next couple of weeks and the response that we have here in the community.
Ngā taonga o te tauhou Māori. Eruera Rerekura, te reo o te uru.